Welcome to the NewsRamp Business and Corporate Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, and I'm thrilled to have you with us today. NewsRamp.com curates the latest business news from leading newswires, bringing you the most relevant stories to keep you informed and inspired. Now, a quick note before we dive in. While this podcast is produced with the assistance of AI and AI voices, rest assured that the stories we're sharing are very real, and the complete news stories can be found at newsramp.com. It's Tuesday morning, July 29th, 2025, and we have a lineup of business and corporate headlines and stories that you won't want to miss. So, grab your coffee, lace up those running shoes, or settle into your favorite chair, and let's get started. Here is our first headline.
Biomed News Breaks. Scinai Immunotherapeutics Ltd. NASDAQ SCNI publishes peer-reviewed data supporting PC111 as potential disease modifier. Scinai Immunotherapeutics Ltd., traded on NASDAQ under the symbol SCNI, has released peer-reviewed data supporting PC111 as a potential disease modifier. The study, published in the Journal of Dermatological Treatment, confirmed PC111's disease-modifying potential in humanized models of pemphigus by targeting soluble Fas ligand. This first-in-class human anti-Fas ligand monoclonal antibody showed the ability to prevent blister formation, offering a non-immunosuppressive approach. CEO Amir Reichman believes these findings demonstrate PC111's potential to transform treatment for high unmet need indications like SJS-10, delivering value to patients and shareholders. For more information, visit Scinai Immunotherapeutics website at scinai.com.
GeoVax accelerates development of GeoMVA vaccine amid expanding global mpox crisis and reaffirmed WHO emergency designation. GeoVax Labs Inc. is accelerating the development of its GeoMVA mpox vaccine candidate in response to the expanding global mpox crisis. With a surge in mpox cases across Africa and the WHO reaffirming emergency status, GeoVax is pursuing an expedited development strategy. Recent EMA guidance supports a streamlined regulatory pathway for GeoMVA, reinforcing the urgent need for scalable vaccine solutions. The company aims to finalize manufacturing and initiate human trials, develop a continuous manufacturing platform, and collaborate internationally to ensure equitable vaccine access. GeoVax's CEO emphasizes the importance of diversified solutions in the face of rising mpox cases and the emergence of more virulent strains.
PickleJar strengthens executive team with key appointments to accelerate growth and operational scale. PickleJar Entertainment Group has strengthened its executive team with the appointment of two industry veterans. Frank Ruppin, now Chief Growth Officer, will focus on revenue generation and strategic partnerships. Chad Thilborger joins as Executive Vice President of Venue Managed Services to optimize service delivery. CEO Jeff James stated that these additions reflect a pivotal moment for the company, signaling readiness to lead in live entertainment and data services innovation. PickleJar is preparing for nationwide scaling of its ticketing platform, point-of-sale system, and media content initiatives. The company aims to create greater value for artists, partners, and shareholders through innovative brand partnerships and platform development.
StackGen launches autonomous infrastructure platform, unveiling next-gen AI agents to build and manage infrastructure. StackGen, the pioneer in autonomous infrastructure technology, has announced the launch of its autonomous infrastructure platform, an AI-powered platform featuring AI agents to build and manage cloud infrastructure with autonomous capabilities. Traditional infrastructure management approaches create critical bottlenecks, costing enterprises over $20 billion annually, industry-wide. StackGen's platform addresses this with AI agents that understand specific infrastructure context, increasing velocity and reducing operational effort. Industry analysts predict a shift toward AI-managed infrastructure. StackGen's vision is to empower infrastructure that operates itself through self-building, self-governing, self-healing, and self-optimizing pillars delivered by specific AI agents. The platform's configurable autonomy levels enable organizations to evolve toward autopilot operations. StackGen's autonomous infrastructure platform is already serving leading companies and will launch coordinated AI agent capabilities, starting with StackBuilder, with additional agents rolling out through 2025.
Real Projectives welcomes Theresa Montano as Business Development Manager. Real Projectives, a leading real estate advisory and management firm, has welcomed Theresa Montano as Business Development Manager. With years of marketing and business development experience, gained through her work with chambers of commerce in Maryland and beyond, Ms. Montano will focus on client acquisition through strategic networking and partnership development. Her proven track record of supporting economic prosperity and business growth makes her an invaluable addition to the team. Ms. Montano's commitment to making communities better aligns with Real Projectives' mission of providing trustworthy advice and management to real estate investors. Her expertise and dedication will undoubtedly contribute to the company's continued success in Maryland and across the United States.
Benihana Express opens second location in Miami. The One Group Hospitality announces the opening of a new Benihana Express location in Miami's Bayside Marketplace. Owned by franchisee Eric Paso, this is the second location in Miami, offering a new hibachi concept in a fast casual format. The 770-square-foot restaurant features a modern, minimalist aesthetic with Japanese-inspired touches. The menu includes favorites like hibachi burritos, entrees, yakisoba bowls, and more. Paso, also the owner of Black Market Miami and Ben's Pizza, is excited to bring this concept to the community. The new Benihana Express will be open daily from 11 a.m. until midnight, with plans to open a West Coast location in San Francisco later this year.
Northern Trust announces new stock repurchase authorization. On July 22, 2025, the Board of Directors of Northern Trust Corporation approved a new common stock repurchase authorization, authorizing the repurchase of up to $2.5 billion of the corporation's outstanding shares. This replaces the previous authorization, with approximately 4.8 million shares remaining for repurchase. The new authorization has no expiration date, allowing the corporation to repurchase shares as needed. They plan to acquire shares through various methods, depending on factors like price and market conditions. The corporation is a leading provider of wealth management, asset servicing, and banking with a global presence. For more information, visit northerntrust.com.
Chasen cause, collapse, lavish executive pay, $39.5 debt, and questions over missing jet amid bankruptcy. Chasen companies, facing bankruptcy, paid founder Brandon Chasen over $21,000 biweekly and top executives up to $9,600 weekly. Bankruptcy filings show $39.5 million in debt and no assets, with revenue dropping from $77 million to zero. Creditors are suspicious of a $5 million jet transfer to a privacy trust in March 2025. Legal pressure mounts as Chasen Construction faces involuntary bankruptcy and creditor demands to hold Brandon Chasen personally liable for nearly $30 million. Abandoned projects and public scrutiny surround the collapse, with a creditor meeting in August to probe financial misconduct and executive pay.
Jenna Zweigel, co-founder of $650 million HempWorks, launches Frequency First Revolution for spiritual and successful individuals. Jenna Zweigel, co-founder of the $650 million company HempWorks, has launched a Frequency First Revolution aimed at helping individuals achieve success from within. After a personal and professional reinvention, Zweigel introduced her personal brand ecosystem, Jenna Z, on June 6, 2025. Her journey from adversity to building a wellness empire emphasizes the importance of alignment, not hustle, in achieving true success. Podcasters and journalists can explore topics such as raising one's frequency for success, conscious wealth strategies, resilience, and wisdom from her mentor, Bob Proctor. To schedule an interview with Jenna Zweigel, contact Brasco at cannabisradio.com. Learn more about Jenna Z at jennaz.co.
Monoline announces partnership with Agents Alliance Services. Monoline, a technology-driven personal umbrella carrier, has announced a new partnership with Agents Alliance Services, a leading insurance aggregator dedicated to supporting independent agents nationwide. Agents Alliance Services, founded in 2008 and based in Denton, Texas, empowers agents by providing broader market access and carrier relationships. Through this partnership, Monoline will offer its exclusive personal umbrella solutions to Agents Alliance members. CEO Ben Phillips expressed excitement about the collaboration, highlighting the shared mission of empowering independent agents to thrive. Monoline's streamlined platform simplifies quoting and placement of personal umbrella policies, saving agents valuable time while protecting clients' assets efficiently.
Deco Technology Group delivers proven pad printing, screen printing automation, and UV inkjet solutions across USA, Canada, and Mexico. Deco Technology Group Inc., a leader in industrial printing since 1987, offers proven pad printing, screen printing automation, and UV inkjet solutions across USA, Canada, and Mexico. With a comprehensive equipment lineup including DT Series pad printers, Swiss-built microprint machines, and Quantix UV inkjet printers, Decotech delivers complete end-to-end solutions for manufacturers in various industries. They provide ISO-certified inks, silicone pads, laser-etched clichés, machine installation, repair, and training programs for operators. With over 35 years of experience, Decotech is known for its reliability and expertise in the industrial printing sector, helping customers achieve superior results.
Hypercore International names new president. Hypercore International, a partner site network of clinical trial sites across North America, has appointed Nicholas Fossel as its new president. With nearly 2 decades of experience in clinical operations leadership, strategic partnerships, and expansion into emerging markets, Fossel is set to enhance Hypercore's impact in the global clinical research space. Fossel, founder and CEO of FOMAT Medical Research, has led Phase 4 trials across more than 70 therapeutic areas in the U.S. and Latin America. Outgoing President Carlos Orantes has laid a strong foundation for Hypercore's growth, passing the baton to Fossel. Fossel aims to continue building Hypercore's pioneering legacy, collaborating with partner site networks to broaden trial reach and deliver diverse, high-quality research benefiting patients and sponsors.
Meet the new face of AI-powered innovation intelligence. Entrepreneur, the innovation intelligence platform, has launched a redesigned website focused on empowering innovation teams with smarter, faster, and more actionable insights. The new site reflects a shift to a comprehensive, AI-powered ecosystem tailored for strategic decision-makers in today's tech landscape. With multi-agent AI workflows, curated use case intelligence, and seamless startup enterprise matchmaking, Entrepreneur bridges the gap between fragmented insights and strategic execution. The revamped site offers a streamlined design, updated messaging, and improved navigation to enhance user experience. Explore the future of innovation at entrepreneur.com and see how AI-powered agents can transform the way organizations identify and implement breakthrough solutions. Creative Biolabs pioneers next-gen single-domain antibody solutions amid rising therapeutic demand. Creative Biolabs, a biotechnology service provider, is pioneering next-gen single-domain antibody solutions in response to rising therapeutic demand. A recent Nature Communications study highlighted SDAbs' ability to neutralize SARS-CoV-1 and NAT2 with high potency, making them valuable in oncology, neurology, and infectious disease research. Creative Biolabs offers end-to-end SDAb development solutions, leveraging SDAb's advantages such as deep tissue penetration, exceptional stability, rapid clearance, and low immunogenicity. They specialize in bispecific SDAb development, multivalent SDAb engineering, SDAb libraries, and custom production services to translate SDAb concepts into clinically available molecules. These SDAbs like molecular pliers, critical against various pathogens. Learn more at Creative Biolabs' website.
ByEnzo unveils limited edition personalized alphabet platinum pendants where legacy meets luxury. ByEnzo has unveiled a limited edition series of personalized alphabet platinum pendants crafted in rare PT950 platinum. The debut letters, J, Y, and S, are more than just ornamental. They embody masculine sophistication and personal expression. Each pendant is carefully designed to convey boldness and refinement, representing strength, youth, and style. Paired with a platinum cable chain, these pendants offer a luxurious look and feel. ByEnzo's master artisans ensure each piece is handcrafted with intention, rooted in Seoul's tradition of excellence. Made to endure generations, these pendants are released as limited editions, preserving their exclusivity. Redefine luxury with ByEnzo's personalized platinum alphabet pendants. Start your story with the J, Y, or S initial and wear it with pride and purpose. Clearwater Solutions' Swainsboro facility earns Georgia Association of Water Professionals Gold Award for third consecutive year. Clearwater Solutions' Yam Grande Water Pollution Control Facility in Swainsboro, GA, has been awarded the Gold Award by the Georgia Association of Water Professionals for the third consecutive year. This prestigious award recognizes the facility's perfect permit compliance throughout the 2024 calendar year. Lead operator Wade Holcomb and plant operations supervisor Will Hutchison have shown exceptional leadership, guiding the team to this achievement. Clearwater Solutions' commitment to quality service and regulatory excellence is evident in their management of Swainsboro's water, wastewater, and public works systems since 2021. Learn more about Clearwater Solutions at their website.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Business and Corporate Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, newsdirect.com, and blockchainwire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.